Welcome back to another product review, and in today's video I will be sharing my honest opinion on EHPlabs OxyShred Pre Workout Gummies. That is right, it is a pre-workout gummy. I wanted to see what they were gonna be like, see if I like the taste, and see if they actually work. Upon closer inspection, we can see that the ones on the right say thermogenic fat burner under the OxyShred logo, and the ones on the left say ultra concentration. I thought they were gonna be different, but they are actually the exact same in terms of nutrition and caffeine content. As we take even a closer look on the back, we can see that the nutrition facts are the same for each of them. Now, I'm not gonna lie, these gummies actually do taste amazing. Here is the size of one gummy. What drew me into these pre-workout gummies in the first place is that my body actually got physically ill in my stomach by taking so much pre-workout powder. The taste would sometimes be not the best, and that is why I wanted to lean into this and try it. And it actually, honest review, it tastes amazing. The pre-workout benefits are there. You feel a really good pump and you even start to sweat a little. I'm sure it has to do with the L-carnitine, and it honestly offers a lot for how simple it is. It's just you take 2 gummies if you're really sensitive to caffeine, or you can take 3, 4. It really comes down to you because each gummy will be 25 milligrams of caffeine, and I really love the taste. So the calories, it looks like 2 gummies are 20 calories, pretty much negligible honestly in the grand scheme of things. And you get caffeine from the green coffee bean extract, natural caffeine from Arabica coffee bean, and L-carnitine tartrate. You get 1000 milligrams for 4 gummies. It really is a simple product, and the reason why I loved it so much is because it's easy to take, it doesn't upset my stomach, and it tastes really good, and it gives me what it says it does, a good workout. I'm not endorsed by them, I'm not affiliated by them, I'm sure they don't even know I exist. Truth of the matter is that these gummies are delicious. Now, in terms of size, this is actually a traditional size for a pre-workout jug, whereas this one is a bit larger. As you can see, I have some creatine. I keep the small one on my person. I'm probably just gonna keep the big one in my car. And the biggest thing is I love how I can just take the gummies without really much effort. You just pop them into your mouth. Look at these little gummies. Honestly speaking, from the bottom of my heart, the review for the OxyShred gummy is 5 out of 5 stars because they are delicious, easy to take, they don't upset my stomach, they give me that caffeine and amazing pump that I love in the gym, and that is why I bought the big jar in the first place, because I love them so much. I actually bought the small one to see if I would like it, loved it, saw that there weren't many reviews on it, so I decided to get the big one. Tastes amazing and it works. And that concludes our review for today. 5 out of 5 stars. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more product reviews in the future, and as always, stay tuned and thank you for watching. Pretty close to the size of my thumb. I guess if you had to kind of compare it to something.